Today's video about border property in CSS. There are different types of border properties uh, in your syllabus: border style, border color, border, and border width. One by one, I will show you what is the use of border. Then here you can see that one h1 tag is here. Then first I am going to set a border for this h1 tag. For that I just write h1. This is the selector name. Then border width. Using border width, you can set the width of the border 10 pixel. You can use the pixel value, otherwise you can use the direct value like a thin, thick, medium. So if I save this program, then if I run save, then I run this, nothing is visible, nothing is showing here, border is not showing here. So if you want to show the border here, you also set the border style, border style. There are different styles of borders are available in CSS. First one is dotted border style. Then your border is become dotted line. You see that, and now your border is visible according to the pixel value. The border width is showing. So if I increase the value of border pixel in the 100, then you can see that the border width is increasing. Boom, did you see that it is increasing? So here, otherwise you can use pixel values. Normally we are using 1 to 10 pixel value. No, do not use 100 pixel. 1 2 3 4 5 6 up to 10 only. Then another, okay, I'm used for another border style is dotted. Second one is dashed, DASHED, dashed style. Then if I run this program, you can see that our border is displaying as a dashed line. The third value of border style is solid. Then you will get a solid border. Now your border is solid. Then also another double line, double. Then your border become double lined border. Here double lined border is, I think you're showing that double lined border. Then next one, a ridge. So you will get a ridge shaped border. Did you see that? I think it's not clearing now. No. What is that? Okay, now it is visible. Ridge shaped border. So there are different types of value related to border style in your textbook. You can check one by one. Then next, instead of pixel value, you can use the thin. The value of border width is thin, thick, or medium. Any one of these you can use. Then your border now become thin. Then if I use thick, then your border become thick. Border become thick style. Thick. This is size only. It is not related to style. It is size only. Then you can also change the color of the border using border color property. Border color. You can, if I'm using red, then now your border is visible in red color. I think you understand this one. Then so instead of this, you can write a simple method. This is the code is too lengthy. So instead of this, you can write border, border, then full colon. This is a shortcut method. So first value is for width. I write 5 pixel. Then space only. Second value is for style, border style. If I write solid, then Next, you already know that the next it is actually for color. I write orange, orange, orange. So this is a simplest way. This is a shortcut way you can add styles, different border style using single line, using this border property. Border full colon 5 pixel width, solid means is style, border style. This is the border color. Then semicolon. Then if I save, then you know this one according to the CSS you can see the border. You can see the border here. This width is 5 pixel, solid, then orange. If instead of this, if I'm using dashed double line, sorry, double, then if I save, then if I run, you know it is changed now. So this is a shortcut method to add CSS, to add all border property in a single line. I think you understand this one. Then next topic, padding. Padding, you already know the distance between the margin and a text boundary. Yesterday we already I already teach you how to add margin for body as well as all the tags. Then here I'm going to teach you what is how to add how to set padding for each tag. How to set padding for each tag. So it is so easy. Here I'm going to set a padding. So padding means the distance between, how to set the padding means the distance between the margin and a text boundary. So I'm going to set a padding value for this h1 tag. So first I write selector name h1. Then first I need to set background here. Padding. Padding means padding properties means there are four padding property. There is no padding property. There is a 4 types of padding property: padding left, right, top, bottom. Here padding left, I'm going to set padding left, I'm right 10 pixel. Then according to this pixel, the padding is adjusted. Here you know this is this one is the distance between. So I'm going to set a background here, background color here. Then you can easily understand background, how to set the background color using background property. YE W yellow. Then save. Then if I run this program, so some mistake is here. Because of background spelling is wrong, GROUND background. Then save, then run. Then background color is visible. Then this is the margin. Okay, this is the margin. This is the margin. This from here to here, this is the margin. So this is the padding, the yellow starting this boundary to this text box. This one, this distance is actually padding. That is from this yellow starting border to here. So you can adjust. This is called padding. So you can also increase the padding value using, if I write 100 pixel, then save, then you can see that according to the padding value 100, it will move inside. So this is padding left. So you can adjust padding right also, padding top also, padding bottom also.